Hello everyone. Welcome to Wordscience. Today, we are going to learn about a very special word. This word is always. It is a simple word, but it has a beautiful meaning. Are you ready to explore it with me? Let's begin this exciting journey together. So, what does always mean? The word always means all the time or every time. It never stops. For example, I always brush my teeth. This means I brush my teeth every single day without missing. It is something that happens again and again, without any break. Now, let's learn how to say this word correctly. The word is pronounced as always. It sounds simple, right? Let me say it again slowly. Always. You can practice saying it with me. Always. Great job. Now you know how to say it perfectly. When do we use the word always? We use it in three main ways. First, to say something happens every time. Second, to talk about our habits or daily routines. And third, to show promises or feelings that never change. It is a powerful word that shows something is constant and true. Let's look at some positive examples. She always smiles in the morning. This means every morning, she smiles. We always help our friends. This shows we help them every time they need us. He always tells the truth. This means he is honest all the time. These examples show how always describes good habits. We use always to talk about things we do every day. For example, I always eat breakfast. This is part of my daily routine. They always go to school on time. This shows they are never late. These are simple activities that happen regularly in our lives. Always makes our sentences clear and strong. The word always is very special in relationships. When we say, I will always love you, it means our love never ends. When someone says, she always supports me, it shows trust and care. Always makes our promises stronger. It shows our feelings are real and will last forever. Every word has an opposite. The opposite of always is never. Never means not at any time. Another word is sometimes. Sometimes means not all the time, only occasionally. So remember, always means all the time, sometimes means part of the time, and never means no time at all. Here are some fun facts. Always is one of the oldest words in the English language. People have been using it for hundreds of years. It appears in many beautiful poems and songs. Writers use always to express strong emotions and deep feelings. Isn't that interesting? Let's remember the key points. First, always means all the time. Second, we use it to talk about habits, promises, and feelings. Third, it has opposite words like sometimes and never. If you remember these 3 points, you will use always correctly every time. Thank you so much for learning with Wordscience today. I hope you enjoyed discovering the meaning of always. Remember to use this word in your daily life. Keep learning, keep growing, and always stay curious. Don't forget to subscribe to Wordscience for more amazing lessons. See you in the next video. Goodbye.